Hi everybody, Tea Time poem by Mary Oliver. Lingering in happiness. After rain, after many days without rain, it stays cool, private and cleansed under the trees. And the dampness there, married now to gravity, falls branch to branch, leaf to leaf, down to the ground, where it will disappear, but not of course vanish, except to our eyes. The roots of the oak will have their share, and the white threads of the grasses and the cushions of moss. A few drops, round as pearls, will enter a mole's tunnel. As soon, so many small stones buried for thousands of years will feel themselves being touched. Thank you.